No matter what I do, in the matter of 2 to 3 weeks after showering, this is what my loofah looks like. And I'm careful with it. I make sure that when I put soap on it, I try to hold it really tight so that way when I'm showering, I'm not having it all fall apart. But no matter what I do, it tends to just fall apart. Hey guys, it's Carmen Redeemer. And if you're like me, then what you need is not a loofah anymore. You need one of these scrubbers. This thing is the Body Scrubber 2.0 our friend sent over for us to test out. And this thing is awesome. I absolutely love it. There's a couple of things I just want to point out. Number one, it has this really nice hook so you can hang it to dry. It also has this thing right here, which, believe it or not, hopefully you can see this, is a suction cup. Oh, there you go. You can see it right there. Suction cupped on there, which is cool because if you don't have the ability to hang it up to dry it, you can just, oh, it almost stuck to my hand. You can suction cup it to the wall and let it dry that way. Not only did they send out this awesome body scrubber, but then they sent out the back scrubber as well. How cool is that? Because I don't know about you, but I cannot reach my back at all. This is fantastic. It allows me to reach that middle of my back and really get clean. And I don't have to worry about anything else. I don't have to worry about it falling apart. I don't have to worry about bristles breaking. I know that it's going to stay nice and awesome and clean and do a great job. So this body scrubber is fantastic. I want to do a quick little demo so you can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to get it nice and wet, and we're going to use hand soap here just for this example. I'm just going to put half a pump there. I'm going to do it right here. Oh boy, I'm getting soapy, just like that. So now you're probably thinking that's not enough soap, and you're right. So here's what you do. You add just a little bit more water, and look at that. Just like that, it starts to lather up super fast. I mean, this is ridiculous. So when you're in the shower, I was kind of concerned about that to begin with, if there's going to be enough suds. That was half a pump of hand soap, and this just keeps going. So like it just continues to lather because it holds all of the soap inside on the body scrubber. And once you start activating it with soap and just stirring it around, it just continues to lather. So you might actually be able to get more soap, less soap to do more work with the body scrubber. All in all, I absolutely love it. It's a nice exfoliating. It's actually really soft. So you could use this for your whole body, even your face if you chose to. I don't know how I feel about washing my whole body with this and then washing my face. So that's your call. Overall, I have to say I really love it. This is going in the trash, and I'm never buying one of these again. I'm sticking with Toiletries Silicone Body Scrubber 2.0 because these guys know how to make a loofah that's gonna last. Check it out.